I was sent this mini mic wireless lavalier microphone for my review, and I'm really excited about it because as a content creator, having really high quality audio in my videos is crucial. So right now I turned on the fan in my bathroom so you can hear a little bit of that background noise. And I want you to see the difference from having no microphone to these microphones and how it cancels out that background noise. So it comes in a really cute little case, and we've got this adapter that just goes right into your phone and it will automatically connect with the microphone so you can start your videos right away. It's very easy. And these little mics, so there's two of them, just can clip on to your shirt, or they come with a necklace that has a magnet and you can attach them to the magnet. So handy little feature there if you don't want to clip it to your shirt. And then it also, so it comes with two necklaces, and then it also comes with a USB-C charging cable, so you can give them a nice charge. You can charge them directly in the case or individually as well. Each microphone will last about 8 hours, and then the case, it has a self-charging option as well, which will charge them for up to 24 hours, which is pretty cool. Case is magnetic as well, so they just slip in really nicely. Great little feature, and this can just go in my purse, and I can bring this around for when I'm creating content and need to use them. So let's give it a try. All right, so this green light is on, and the green light on the adapter is also on, meaning that it connected. I just had to plug it in and then snap this on. So very convenient, and you can not hear the fan in the background anymore, which is excellent. It has AI noise erasers, so it's going to erase background noises up to 30 decibels, which is amazing. These microphones are perfect for if you're doing interviews, podcasts, ASMR videos, or you just have really noisy kids like me and they're always yelling in the background and you want to drown that out in your videos. So I just want to highlight that they are sweat resistant, so you can get all sweaty. If you get a little bit wet out in the rain, it's still going to work perfectly. They're so tiny, so easy to cover up, and 30 millimeters, so 50% smaller than your traditional microphones. The audio is 48 kHz over 24-bit studio quality sound. These are great. Like I mentioned, the battery life is excellent, so you can go through a day worth of Zoom calls, meetings, recording, and it's going to last you the full day. You can be 200 meters away from your phone as well, and they're still going to connect. So the range is excellent. It's not going to cause any delays or distortion. These are top quality mics for professional settings, so I would definitely recommend.